Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a young fairy who made messes all day. With a poof of her wand, dust plumes would appear. With a wave of her hand, cereal dropped out of thin air. The king and queen of her kingdom won't worry, for the Bissell Air Ram takes care of each mess in a hurry. With speed and agility, this hero saves the day, so our pint-sized pixie can continue to play. A long-lasting battery is always at hand to keep up with the fastest little fairy in the land. Even in spaces as dark as night, our hero carries a light that shines bright. Over hills, under bridges, around corners aplenty. This vacuum is lightweight and so easy to empty. Now our journey has come to an end, and Mess Fairy and Mommy have a new best friend.
And they all lived happily ever after.
What is a smart vacuum cleaner? Think, a vacuum with a mind of its own. Intelligently detects hidden dust. Automatically adapts suction power. With Tineco, you get smarter, deeper, and longer cleans. Pure One M. See the smart difference.
Tineco. Live easy, enjoy life.